imagine what the future holds? Things happen when you start imagining. We don't just imagine the future, we create it over and over again with the X Factor. But what is the X Factor? X is the experience of real full-screen flagship, the expert clarity of India's first 64-megapixel camera, the exceptionally fast charging, the extreme vision of 60x super zoom, the extraordinary speed of India's first 5G smartphone, and the excellent trend-setting design. We don't just merely upgrade, we create it. And now, as the world's fastest growing smartphone brand, we dare to leap into the future. A future with incredible speed, powerful performance, and stylish design. Welcome to the 5G flagship of the future. The X is the future. The best of REALME, launching on 4th February 2021. REALME smartphone, dare to leap.